Hey everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be sharing my top essential oils for wellness. I have French lavender, California lemon, and peppermint. These three essential oils can be universally used not only for wellness, but they also have anti-bacterial, anti-inflammatory, and so many other therapeutic properties. For example, lemon can be used to make you feel invigorated, energized, and just happy. Lavender can be used for stress relief, sleep therapy, and as well, it can be used to help deter mosquitoes. Peppermint is an essential oil that's been used for centuries, both in traditional medicine and homeopathic medicine. Peppermint essential oil, as well as being, like I mentioned, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, also has antiviral properties and can be used topically to help soothe your skin. So, next time you're looking for some essential oils to boost your wellness routine, grab for these three. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!